Ever been stuck in an elevator with a stranger and had absolutely nothing to say? By the end of this video, that will never happen to you again. This is the complete guide to small talk in English, starting it, keeping it alive, and ending it without the awkward silence. Let us go.
Hey everyone, welcome back to English Zing, English with a little more energy. I am Leo.
And I am Maya. Today's episode is a big one. We are covering everything about small talk, from the first hello to the last goodbye. Grab a coffee. This one's going to be a good practice session.
Let us start at the very beginning. You are at an event, a party, maybe even just waiting in line at a coffee shop. How do you actually start talking to a stranger?
The easiest trick comment on your shared situation. Something like, this line is taking forever, huh? Or, this place is really crowded tonight.
Right? Because you already have something in common. You are both there. That is called situational small talk. You do not need anything clever, just something true about the moment.
Another one I love, compliments. I really like your jacket. Or, that is a great question you asked earlier. People love being noticed. And it is a really natural door opener.
True. And once you have opened the door, the next move is asking an open question, not a yes or no one. Let us compare. Bad. Do you live around here? Good. So, how do you know people at this party?
See, the difference? The second one basically forces a longer answer. You cannot just say yes.
Exactly. Other great open questions? What do you do for fun? What brought you to this event? What has kept you busy lately?
I want to add something important here. Tone matters as much as words. Even a simple, hi, how is it going? Said with a smile. And real curiosity works better than a perfectly grammatical sentence, said flatly.
Great point. Confidence beats perfection every time in small talk. Let us do a quick role play so you can hear this in action. Hi, is this seat taken?
Oh no. Go ahead. I do not think I have seen you here before. Have I?
No. Actually, this is my first time. A friend invited me. How about you? Do you come often?
Pretty often. Yeah, I love the coffee here. Honestly, that is the real reason.
Right, because you already have something in common. You are both there. That is called situational small talk. You do not need anything clever, just something true about the moment.
See, the difference, the second one basically forces a longer answer. You cannot just say yes.
Okay, so you have started a conversation. This is where a lot of learners freeze after the first exchange. What do you actually say next?
This is where I teach everyone my favorite formula answer, add, ask.
Break it down for us?
So, someone asks you a question. Step 1, you answer it. Step 2, you add a small detail. Step 3, you ask something back. Let us say someone asks, how was your weekend?
A beginner might just say good. And then silence.
Exactly. Dead end. Instead, it was really good. I actually went hiking with some friends for the first time in months. What about you? Did you do anything fun?
See what happened there. Answer. It was really good. Add. I went hiking with friends. Ask. What about you? That is the whole formula.
And it works for literally any question. What do you do? I am a nurse. Actually, I just started a new job last month. What about you? What do you do?
Let us practice a few together. I will ask a question, and you use the formula. Do you like this city?
I really do. I especially love how many parks there are. I try to go for a walk every morning. Do you live nearby?
Perfect. Textbook answer at ask. Let us try one more. What kind of music do you listen to?
Mostly jazz. Actually, I got into it during college and never stopped. What about you? Do you have a favorite genre?
See how natural that sounds. It is not memorized. It is just a structure your brain can use every time.
And here's a bonus tip. If you genuinely do not know what to add, you can always add a reaction instead of a fact. That is so cool. I have always wanted to try that. Works just as well as a detail.
Great tip. Reactions keep the energy up, even when you are a bit stuck for vocabulary. Now, let us talk about what to actually talk about. Some topics are small talk, gold, others are landmines.
Safe topics, the weather. Of course, it is a classic for a reason. Travel, food, hobbies, weekend plans, television shows or movies, and local events.
Let us do a mini example for each. Weather! Can you believe how hot it has been this week?
Food. Have you tried that new restaurant downtown? I heard it is amazing.
Travel. Have you been anywhere interesting recently? Or are you planning any trips?
Hobbies. So, what do you like to do when you are not working?
Now, topics to avoid, at least early on: politics, religion, money, and anything too personal, like relationships or health issues, unless the other person brings it up first.
It is not that these topics are forbidden forever. It is just risky territory for a first conversation. You do not know someone's opinions yet, and small talk is supposed to build comfort, not tension.
A useful rule: if you would not bring it up with a new coworker on day one, do not bring it up with a stranger either.
Exactly. And if someone else brings up a heavier topic, it is totally fine to respond briefly and then gently steer back to something lighter. Something like, yeah, that is tough. Anyway, have you tried the food here yet?
Smooth topic change, a very useful skill in itself.
One more category, compliments and observations about the environment, always work. I love the decoration here. Or this event is really well organized.
Those cost you nothing, and they almost always get a positive reaction. All right, final skill. How do you leave a conversation without it feeling rude or abrupt?
The secret is a two-step exit. First, acknowledge the conversation positively. Then give a light reason to leave.
Give us an example.
It was really nice talking to you. I should go say hi to a few other people. But let us catch up again soon.
Or in a work context. This was a great chat. I actually need to jump on a call, but I will see you around.
Notice the structure. Complement the conversation. Give a reason. And leave the door open for future contact.
What if you genuinely just want to leave? No specific reason.
Totally fine to keep it vague. I do not want to keep you, but it was great chatting. It is polite. It is respectful of their time, and it does not require a detailed excuse.
And if you want to actually stay in touch, we should grab coffee sometime. Or let us connect on LinkedIn. Work great, especially in professional settings. Let us do one more role play ending our earlier coffee shop conversation. Well, I should probably head out, but this was really nice. I am glad I came today.
Me too. It was great meeting you. Maybe I will see you here again. Sometime.
Definitely. Have a good one.
You too. Bye.
Let us put everything together, starting, keeping it going, safe topics, and ending in one full conversation.
Hi. Is this seat taken?
Oh, no! Go ahead! Have you been to this coffee shop before?
Actually, yeah. I come here a lot. The coffee's great. Are you new to the area?
Just moved here last month. Actually, still figuring out my favorite spots.
Oh, nice. Welcome. Where did you move from?
From Chicago. Pretty big change, honestly, but I am loving the weather here so far.
I bet Chicago winters are no joke. So what do you do?
I am a graphic designer. I actually just started working remotely, which is part of why I moved. What about you?
I teach yoga nearby. Actually, small world. Huh.
That is awesome. I have been wanting to try a class. Well, this was really nice. I should get going. But maybe I will see you around.
Definitely. Good luck settling in. Bye.
And that is it starting. Following the answer at a ask formula. Save topics and a smooth ending. All in one natural conversation.
Let us recap the key phrases from today. Number 1, this line is taking forever, huh? A situational opener. Number 2, open questions like what brought you here instead of closed questions.
Number 3. Answer. Add, ask, the core formula for keeping conversations alive. Number 4. Safe topics. Weather, food, travel, hobbies, events. Number 5. Topics to avoid early on. Politics, religion, money, personal issues.
Number 6, it was really nice talking to you. I should get going. A polite exit. And number 7, I do not want to keep you. A vague, respectful goodbye. Grab the free PDF in the description. It has all these phrases plus extra practice exercises.
If this helped you, subscribe for a new episode every week and let us know in the comments what is the hardest part of small talk for you.
That is it for today's episode of English Zing.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.